1 into x, right?
Which one?
Yeah, in the last problem, so you have two equations, 2x plus 3y minus 7 equals to 0.
Yeah.
And then you have m minus 1x plus m plus 1y and then 3 minus m minus 1, right? So
Yeah.
A2 would be what? Yeah. A1 is 3, A1 is 2, A2, B1 is 3, and C1 is
A2
minus.
is mx minus 1x.
No, no, no. So why there would be x? The coefficient of x is the A2, right? So whatever is the coefficient of x, that is the A2. So coefficient of x is how much?
So 1.
It's m minus 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so only m minus 1 would be there. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, then you calculate equation that way. So you had what? M minus 1 x plus m plus 1 y and then minus of 3m minus. So your A2 is m minus 1, B2 is m plus 1, and C2 is minus of 3m. So you have these coefficient, and then for infinite many solutions, you just put all these three ratios. Yeah,
No, the reason why I actually wrote mx minus 1x is because I multiplied m into x and 1 into x. That's
yeah,
why.
yeah. But the coefficient, so coefficient of x is 8, right? So yeah,
Okay.
okay. Yeah, now let us come back to what we were doing. So we were from,
There is one question which I have a doubt. It
yeah.
was the 10th question in the homework, which was x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to 11.
Oh, wait. The 10th problem.
10th question.
This one.
Yeah.
So you see, okay. So we have to simplify these, right? And then we can talk about the solution. So we have x by 2 plus 2y by 3, and this is equal to 11. And the other equation is x minus y by 4 equal to 3. So to solve these equation by substitution method, well, we can first simplify. So the LCM is how much? The LCM is 6.
6.
So 3x plus 4y, and then this is 11. So this would be 3x plus 4y equal to 60. This is one equation, and the other equation is what? So LCM is 4. So this is 4x minus of this is y, and then this is 3. So 4x minus y equal to 12. So then we can calculate what would be y. So y would be 4x minus 12, right? And then we can put the value of y in here. So this would be 3x plus 4 into 4x minus 12 equals to 66. Then this is 3x plus 16x, 48, and 60x, then 19x. And this is 66 plus 48. So we can solve it. Let's see this is how. X is 114 by 90. This is 1, and then we can calculate y. So y is 4 into 114 by 90 minus 2. So this would be the y. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
So now let us go back to what we were doing, and yeah, which question? You will solve it. Yeah, so you see this sixth problem is the same type of problem, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so first question we did. The second question, yeah, you please solve the second question and tell me, yeah, this question. So we have s minus t equals to 2 and s by 3 plus t by 2 equals to 6. So again, you see, we have the same fractional equation. Solve this and then tell me the answer.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah,
the first one will remain the first one s minus t equal to 3 will remain the same. So the
yeah,
second one will be 2s plus 3t by 6 equal to 6, which will be equal to 2s plus 3t equal to 36.
yeah. This one is the second. Yeah. Solve this further, right? Substitute the value of one of the variable in the second equation as well. Yeah, please find the solution. Yes, what did you get?
I'm still doing it, but I did s minus t equal to 3, so t will be equal to s minus 3.
Yeah, yes.
And then 2s plus 3t equal to 36. So 2s plus 3 multiplied with s minus 3 equal to 36. I'm still doing it after that.
Yeah. So please find the solution. Yeah. Yes, what did you get?
Yeah. I got 2s plus 3s, which is equal to 5s, equal to 36 plus 9, which gives 5s is equal to 45. So s will be equal to 45 by 5, which is 9.
Yeah. And then you calculate t from, right? So
We need to find, yeah, we need to find t also. So 9 minus 3.
yeah. So
T becomes,
yeah, so you got s equals to 9 and t equals to 6, right?
yes.
Okay, good, good. So now we know how to solve the linear equation differential by substitution, right? So these third, fourth, fifth, sixth are similar kind of question. So you try at your home and
The
then, yes,
roots also same thing, right?
yeah, roots one is the same thing because we have to just find out. So let us solve this. So root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0. So root 2x would be equal to minus 3y. So x is minus root
Into
3y.
root 3y by root 2.
This is x, and we have this 3x minus root 8y equals to 0, which means that root 3x, and this is how much? Minus of root 3y by this is how much? So root 2 and minus of 8y equals to 0. So this would be how much? So you see that this is, yeah, this is, we can take y common, right? This would be how much? Whatever it is, this is minus 3 by 2 minus 8 equals to 0. So this part goes in the right hand side and it becomes 0. So y is how much? 0. If y is 0, then x is how much? This is minus 2 by root 2 into 0, which is 0. So x is 0, y is 0. This is right.
Yes.
Okay, so now you see that all these six problems are similar. So let us skip these and now come to this second question. Okay, so let us do this. Now let us understand the second problem. The second problem, it is saying that solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 20. So these are the two equations that, right? So first part is that, first part is we have to solve, right? We have to solve these two equations.
Yeah.
So we know only up until now we know only one method. That is the substitution method. So let us
Yeah.
try, yeah, let us try to solve this by substitution. So 2x is 11 minus 3y.
3y.
So x is
X will be equal to 11 minus 3y by 2.
this is so this is the third equation. Now let's see, this is the first and second. Now let us put back this value of x in the second equation. So 2 into x, which is 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y equal to minus 20. So cancel and we have 11 minus 3y minus 4y equal to minus 24. So this is minus 7y and this is minus 24 minus 11. Minus 7y is 5 and this is 30, so 35. Minus minus cancel and y is 5. So y is 5 and x is 11 minus 3 into 5 by 2, which is 11 minus 15 by 2 which is minus 4 by 2, which is minus 3. So x is this and y is this, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now let us again understand the question further. So this part we have done. Now hence find the value of m for which y is mx plus 3. So do we know the value of x?
Yeah.
And we also know the value of y. So according to question, from question it is given that y is mx plus 3. So let us put the values of x and y. So y is 5, m we want to find out, x is
Yes.
minus 2
Minus 2
plus.
plus.
So this is
So
5 and minus.
2.
So 2 equal to minus 2. So m is 2 by minus 2, which is minus 2, right? So this
Yes.
was the question. Any doubt in this question?
No. I'll just note down to
Yeah,
find.
yeah. Yeah, please. Okay, here we are. Still you are having cold. So the duration of cold is 2 to 3 days, right? And you are
I'm having this since 2 weeks almost.
weeks. Do you not, or are you not taking any medicine?
I am taking every morning and night and also doing steam, but
Yeah,
I'm going like out every day here, so it's raining outside and also it's cold, so that's why it's like taking time to go.
yeah. And maybe there is also some, yeah, so dust allergy or so, that kind of thing. So in that situation, this persists. Uh, this cold persists when you have allergy from dust and what kind of medicines you are taking? Allopathic, homeopathic, Ayurvedic?
Not Ayurvedic though.
Allopathic.
Yeah.
Allopathic. Okay. Maybe some cough syrup. Okay. So should whenever you need me to scroll down the screen, I please tell.
Okay, done.
Done. This part also done. Noted up to this point.
Yes, finished.
Now let us do some word problems and then we will understand the second method of solving the equation. Okay, so the third problem and the first. In word problems, the ultimate goal is to make the linear equation, right? So the first problem is that the difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is twice the other. So what are the two unknowns in this question? Yes. In this question, what are the two unknowns? You have difference between two numbers is 26, one number is thrice the other. So
Which question? The first one or the second?
yeah, third and first part.
Okay, okay. Difference. The two unknowns is the two numbers.
Yeah. So let us assume that one number is x and the other number is 1. What is it? So we have these two numbers, right? And first information, difference between two numbers is 26. So how do we represent the difference? Right, so we have two numbers x and y. So how do we calculate the difference? Yes. So how do we calculate the difference?
Uh, X minus Y.
Yeah, x minus y. This is the difference. And what is that?
It's equal to 26.
Absolutely right. So x minus y is 27 and 26. But yeah, but we have assumed that this x is the larger number, right? So we have
Yes.
assumed that x is the larger and y is the small. So this is the first equation that we have. And what is the second equation? One number is thrice the other, right? So one number which is thrice the other
X.
number. So this is the larger number, right?
Yeah, which is X.
Yeah. So x is thrice the other number. Right. So how do we do?
3Y.
Yeah. So this is the second equation, and we don't need to write the substitution part. So no need to calculate the value of one variable because it's already there. So let us put this value in the first. So putting so 3y minus y is 26. Y is 26, which means y is 13. So y is 13, which means that x is 3 into y, which is 3 into 30. So 39. These are the two values. Excellent. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. So please note it down and then we'll do the rest of the question. Second problem, you will tell. Third problem, and how many questions? Please note it
Finish.
down. So what is part of sixth question? The larger of two supplementary angles. So this is the crucial angle. Okay, so this is the crucial information, right? Supplementary. What are the supplementary angles?
Supplementary angles are 180-degree.
Yeah, whose sum are 180, right? So the two unknowns in here are what?
The two supplementary angles.
Yeah, so two angles. So let's say one angle. One angle is x, the other angle is y. So from the supplementary condition, we know that x plus y would be how much? Yes,
180-degree.
180. This is the first information or first equation we have. And what is the other? So the larger exceeds the smaller by 80. So how can we represent this? Right. So let's say that x is the larger. So x would be equal to what?
Equal to Y minus 180.
Why? So we are subtracting. So this is larger, right? How can we make the smaller one equal? So we'll have to minus or plus.
Minus.
So if you are saying that y minus, if you are saying y minus 18, this is the smaller one. And you are taking out 18 from this again. So it will become more smaller, right? It will not become this equal to this number. Right, this is the smaller one. So how can I make this equal to this one? I should subtract or add,
You should add.
right? Yeah. So if we add the number with 18, smaller angle with 18, so it should be equal to the bigger angle. So this is it. Yeah. Now again we know the form of x with respect to y. So again putting the value of x in 1. So y plus 18 plus y is 180. So 2y is 180 minus. This is 2 and this is how much? This is 7 minus 1, 6 and this is 1. Y. So y is 181. Right, y is 81, so x is y plus 18, which is 81 plus 18, which is 9, 9. Right, so 81 degree and 90. Any doubt in this question?
No.
Yes. Okay, so please note it down and then we will do the third question.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, the third problem. So what is the third problem? The coach of cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. This kind of question we have done it before, but let us yeah again this part. So we have she buys 7 balls and 6 balls. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. So what are the two unknowns in this question?
The bat and the ball.
Yes. So cost of
The bat
one
and
yeah one bat. Let's say it's x and cost of one ball. This is one. Right. So what would be the cost of 7 bats?
the cost of 7 bats is 3,800.
No, no. Cost of 7 bats. Cost of one bat is x. Right. So cost of 7
Oh,
bats would
x plus 7. X plus 7.
be x plus 7. So let's say that you know that cost of one pencil is 5 rupees. So what would be the cost of 3 pencils? Yeah.
Yeah. Can you repeat?
Yeah. So cost of one pencil is 5. Okay. And then you have bought 3 pencils. So how much would be the cost of 3 pencils?
7.
Okay. So again, let me again ask this question. I have the price of 1 pencil is 5. Okay. The price of 1 pencil is 5 rupees and you have bought 3 pencils. So how much would be that?
15.
15, right? 15. So 3 into 5. So similarly, you have one bat which cost X rupees. So how much 7 bats cost?
7x.
7X, right? Similarly, 6 balls. This would be
6.
how 6 5, and then cost of how much? 3 bats. This would be how much?
3x.
X, and cost of how much? 5 balls, right? So 5 bats. Now we
5.
have all the, yeah. So now let us write the equation. So cost of 7 bats plus 6 balls. So total cost would be how much? Yes.
Sorry?
Yeah, cost of 7 bats and cost of 6 balls. This would be how much?
13.
38, right? But from this part, how can you calculate the total cost?
Oh, 7x plus 6y equal to 3,800.
This is the first equation, and then what is the second equation? So cost of 3 bats and 5 balls. This is
3x
1/7.
plus 5y equal to 1,750.
These are the 2 equations. Understood? Okay,
Yes.
so your homework or your work would be to solve these 2 equations, right? So I will left or I will stop it here, and then you solve this question. So try and solve this question. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So please note it down, and then we'll do this fourth and fifth one. So please note up to this point, and you further solve these equations. Right. I have stopped at here, but you solve these further. And whenever we have noted it down, please noted, Rifa.
Yes.
Now let us understand this fourth problem. Yeah, so fourth problem. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Right. So whenever you hire some taxi, so it has some fixed charge, right? It has some fixed charge, and then you pay the charges for the different per kilometer charge, right? So this is the equation like that. And for a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is 105. And for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 151, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers, right? So in this question, what are the two unknowns? So up to this point, right, we have to calculate the two unknowns and then talk about the final part. So first,
Distance
yeah,
distance covered.
since covered is given. So what are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer,
Yeah.
right?
The fixed charges and
So yeah, fixed charge, let's say this is X and charge per kilometer. Let's say this is one. So the cost is, let's say that you start from here and then you go 10 kilometers, right? So per kilometer charge is Y. Per kilometer charge is Y. So what would be the total charge from here to here? Yeah,
10 plus y. Oh, no,
10.
y equal. Okay.
Oh, yeah. So let's say that. Uh, Let me put the question like this. Let's say that kg mango price is let's say 30 rupees, right? And then you want to calculate the price of 5 kg mango. So how do you calculate it?
You multiply.
Multiply, right? Similarly, the per kilometer charge is y, and you have traveled 10 kilometers. So total charge would be what?
10y.
10 watts. So this is due to the kilometer distance. But we have the fixed amount also. So from the question, what would be that? Yeah. So we have a fixed amount and then the amount paid for 10 kilometers. Is this clear to you?
Yes.
And this is how much?
Is 105.
Yeah, right. And then the other in another situation,
For the
15 kilometers.
15 kilometers.
So fixed
This is the
amount plus how much?
15. 15y.
Y and this is 1.
115.
So let us solve this question because we have to find the how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers. So for 25 kilometers, this would be how much? Cost for 25 kilometers. This would be how much? Fixed charge, right? Fixed
Yeah.
charge and then plus
Plus y.
25, right? So this is we need to find out. And for that, we need x and we need y. So let us solve these equations. Okay, these are very big equations, but what we can do. So x is 105 minus of 10y, right? From first. Now putting the value of x in equation second. So who is this? This would be 105 minus 10y plus 15y, and this is 155. So minus 10y plus 15y, how much? Yes, minus 10y plus 15y. Yes, Rifa. Minus
5,
10y plus
5.
5y, and then 155 minus 1. So this is 50, and this is 5y. So y would be 50 by 5, which is 10.
10.
So y is 10. We have calculated y, so we can calculate x. So x would be 105 minus 10 into y, which is 10. So 105 minus 100, which is 5. So x is 5, right? X is 5. Fixed charges we have calculated. Per kilometer charge we have calculated. Now let us calculate the cost of 25 kilometers. So 5 plus 25 into 10, which is 5 plus 250, which is 255. Right, so this is the cost for 25. Is that clear? Yeah,
Yes.
so please note it down.
Okay.
And whenever you have completed routine down, yes, noted. Yes, Rifa, noted.
Yes, noted.
Okay, so we'll stop at here and only 2 questions are left, right? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, yeah, we'll start from the, yeah, so in the next class, we'll start this elimination. Right.
Okay.
And if you have any doubt, you can ask. Do you have any doubts?
Oh, 1 second. I'm just checking.
Yeah.
No, no doubt.
Okay, so we'll meet in the next class and then we'll discuss the elimination. Okay. And I will also send you some. So please try that also.
Okay. Is no class assessment today?
Yeah, because we were on the same topic, right? Substitution methods, and the next assessment